Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to tag everyone in your WhatsApp group. So guys, before I proceed, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed now. So you need to head over to your WhatsApp first. Head over to your WhatsApp and open it. So after heading to your WhatsApp, just head over to your group which you like to tag everyone. So now for your group, okay, let me say this is my group. So now you just need to, the first method, you can just select, okay, input the message or whatsoever, then or code the message, then type tag, or you can input it in the message or just code the message like this, then input tag all. Or the second method, you can just head over and use this add button, then type everyone, every everyone everyone. So you can quote the message or just input this in the message content. And the third method, you can just tap this add button, then once the username pops up, you can just search the person you want to tag, or you can tag everyone individually. So guys, this is how these three methods you can use it to tag everyone in your WhatsApp group. So guys, I'll still be making another video on how you can tag people in a WhatsApp group with a bot. Okay, that one like is something like we of recent or something like that. So guys, before I conclude, I appreciate once again if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations by the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.